Hello, Adairville School. We wanted to tell you that we miss you. As we approach the end of the school year, we want to tell all of our April birthdays, happy birthday. All of our May birthdays, happy birthday. Our June and our July birthdays, happy birthday. We miss you guys, and we'll have your pencils waiting on you when you return. Ms. Rice has a few announcements, and then I think we'll send you off to your summer break.
Hello, my Cardinal friends. Just want to make sure you know that May 8th is the last day of school. So be sure to get your NTI work turned in, your Chromebooks returned, and everything that belongs to the school turned back in. The times that you can turn those items in are May 8th from 12 to 2, or May 11th, 11 to 6. So please make sure you turn in all your NTI work on one of those days. Also, on those days and those times, you can get a tote bag that's going to have all your student belongings in it, and then it's also going to have a special treat from all the Adairville staff in there. So we want to make sure you get your tote bag so you get that special treat. So be sure to come drop off your NTI work and Chromebooks on those days. As far as other announcements, 8th grade promotion, we've scheduled it for May 17th at 2 o'clock. There'll be more information posted on our social media account, so please be sure to check that out. Food service, that information will also be posted. It will be continuing through May, and we'll let you know that information. And then, as we said, last day of school is Friday, so we hope you all have a great summer. We have missed you. It's been a wonderful school year, even though it has been a little different. And remember, there's 3 things you need to do every day, all day. Bring your best, do the right thing, and be kind. And remember, guys, success starts now. Have a great summer. See you soon.